Okay, so it's time to clean again. Ah, the job never fails. I need to do this stove. This stove is horrible. Oh my goodness. And of course dishes. Always dishes. The dining room I want to declutter. And yes, never fails. Laundry. And Prince here is guarding all the laundry. If he could only learn to fold. Yeah. We just threw everything in the living room. So yeah, that needs to be tidied. We will get it in today. So you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your inside. If you feel my mind, call me on now. Does anyone else feel like the dishes are never ending? Like, oh my God, the kitchen will never become clean and stay that way. I feel like I'm doing the kitchen at least 6 or 7 times a day, and it's so frustrating. Make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie to you. I don't wanna fight. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a heart to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I'm honest, I'll just make you. I'm just taking the stove apart, and oh my God, the stove is a mess. Seems like it takes forever to clean it. I added some Barkeeper's Friend stovetop cleaner, and just scrub that Barkeeper's Friend in there, and oh, it does a beautiful job. For some reason, I use magic eraser and everything else on my stovetop, and there's still a few spots that are just so hard to remove. So I'm constantly scrubbing.
gotta let the sprayer hang down like that because my son decided it might be a real cool idea to take some scissors and cut the pipe. So yeah, I need to replace my sprayer. When you have kids, stuff happens. Trying to tip over her water. She's the bad one. My camera died and I ended up folding all these clothes and, well, these rags, folding all the rags and clearing off the couch off
Remember
the camera.
I was talking about that bedroom purge? Well, yeah. Let's just get it done. Please, no judgment. This is what the problem will be. And my bedroom is small, so this is our closet. And my husband has a lot of clothes. And I got some things to kind of hide the clutter, so.
As I'm adding to this pile of clothes on the bed, I'm wondering to myself, what the heck have I gotten myself into? Just watch how this pile just expands.
Is there no way to do that? That won't get you in trouble.
Getting in trouble doesn't matter in the circumstances.
It's going down. The pile is going down. Alrighty.
You know, when Marie Kondo made the idea of keeping things that only spark joy, that's not very practical, at least not to me. To me, I have to keep the things that are necessary in my life. And I'm sorry, but work clothes just don't spark joy. A lot of things don't spark joy, but I need them for necessity. So, Marie Kondo, beautiful concept, but it's just not practical for everyone.
So anyway, on their way back home, they stopped in this little town. And a bunch of men come to the door of the house we're staying at and say, "Send out the Levite that we may know." Sorry, second minutes, the mom off 6 feet. So that is pretty scary, which of course he would be. So he makes his complaint about that, he said. And the men think.
You'll hear my Netflix in the background.
Tucker.
I'm watching Netflix to pass the time. Currently, I'm watching Greenleaf, which I'm really enjoying. What shows or movies do you watch, or have you watched on Netflix lately? I'll probably be looking for a new series or whatever after this one's over. Comment in the comment box below. Let me know what you're watching.
Maybe the point is that sometimes you do terrible things.
I finally pretty much finished up my husband's clothes, so now I'm moving on to mine, making yet another pile on my bed. Ah, too many clothes, too much stuff. Time to go naked. Just joking.
I'll be back.
This part just seems to take forever, and
We'll tell you soon. Promise.
towards the ending of here, my camera died again, so I had to charge it up and start filming again, so you'll see the transition coming up.
Okay, so
And
my camera died, so I did
There
most
we
of this
go.
off camera. I just changed the sheets. I need to finish making the bed. I organized the closets. They're looking better. And then I covered up the clutter with these two curtains. Looks much better.
okay, now it's a little after 11, so the light in my room is pretty dark, so I do apologize, but yeah, it is what it is. But I'm getting closer to the end point, and you'll see my walls over to the side. Yeah, it's a over 100-year-old house, so they had painted over wallpaper, and the wallpaper started peeling, and oh, it's just crazy. So hopefully that'll be a project that I'll be able to tackle soon.
Yeah, that's my hand right there. I think I shouldn't have done that. I look kind of stupid, and I kind of ruined the whole performance by my mother. Yeah, I apologize for that technical difficulty with my hands peeking out the thing. I saw the camera seeing me. I just didn't know that I could see the camera because my hand was poking out.
As always, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and comment in the boxes below. What are your problem areas? Do you have closets like mine? Thank you. Have a good
little
night.
bit.